Demystifying the Apostrophe, the Punctuation Powerhouse. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to dive deep into a crucial topic, the apostrophe. You might have seen this tiny symbol and wondered about its role and purpose. Well, wonder no more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the basic functions of an apostrophe and how to use it correctly. An apostrophe is a type of punctuation used in English to indicate either possession or the omission of letters or numbers, often in contractions. It might look small, but it has a big job in conveying meaning and clarity in our sentences. One of the primary uses of an apostrophe is to show possession. When a noun is possessing something, we usually add an apostrophe and an s to the end of the noun. For example, in the sentence, "This is John's book," the apostrophe shows that the book belongs to John. Note that there are different rules for singular and plural nouns, and for nouns ending in s. We'll explore these rules in more detail in our upcoming videos. The second common use of an apostrophe is in contractions, where it shows where we've omitted some letters. When we combine words, we often remove some letters and replace them with an apostrophe. For example, do not becomes don't, and I am becomes I'm. In both of these contractions, the apostrophe stands in for the omitted letters. Even native speakers sometimes misuse the apostrophe, so it's essential to know these common mistakes. The most typical one is confusing "it's" without an apostrophe, meaning belonging to it, and "it's" with an apostrophe, meaning it is or it has. Remember, we use the apostrophe for possession with nouns, but not with pronouns. And that's a wrap on our introduction to the basic functions of the apostrophe. We've covered its role in showing possession and forming contractions, as well as common errors to avoid. The mighty apostrophe might seem small, but it has a huge impact on our communication. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step, even understanding a small punctuation mark like the apostrophe, brings you closer to fluency. Stay tuned for our next videos, where we'll delve deeper into more intricate apostrophe rules. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.